Well,
big finals, fellas. We see you tonight, boy. See, we back again now. We are defense force. Got versus AC for the spear in the finals. This one gonna be a big one, boy. This one gonna be a big one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. I gotta be posting vlogs, shit like that on this channel, though. So make sure you show some love to the dog boy. So let's get it one time, though. You're mad. This gonna be a big one.
go through there.
We got Benny, Rushford,
experienced Marvin Phillip, and Dwayne
Samba,
Muckett, the skipper.
the clean
Javin
defense horse.
Bigot in goal as per usual. Jamali Garcia, the skipper. Isaiah
Ben
Garcia.
Fudge, just
So here we are, the First Citizens Knockout Cup final.
Final, fellas. There you go.
Immediately, team tonight. Well, he's got to be careful. Plays it out to Mirez. And
hey, boy!
This is an immediate chance here for defense force. And goalkeeper Marvin Phillip is there as per usual to save.
Good defending, though. Good defending, though.
Boy,
good defending.
were they in trouble there, James?
Lucky. And it's all because of that man, Marvin Phillip, and his experience under pressure. Malik Merez.
Yeah, good defending, my dog, boy. Good defending, though. Good defending, though. Yeah, good defending. Good defending.
Pressing.
Rushford to Muckett. This is Shebeni. Plays
all
nice
boy.
As Burns was making
tackle boy. Tackle boy.
It's one back by.
Didn't have it, Hitlal.
Well,
hey boy! Shot boy!
From Leacock.
Shot boy!
It punt and he hit it beautifully.
Good touch,
Veronica was talking about first time
good turn, boy. Good hit, boy.
The string of passes as Felix goes up that left side. He's had a lot of room so far. This is Wooling. Goes wide to Bertrand. Sends it
crossway.
infield.
Unlucky.
Cleared
Good
away
football.
by Jarvis.
Good football.
So defense. Here goes Keller. Plays
Pass.
a good ball through to Hitlal.
Hey boy, you're
Hitlal
gone.
gets wrong Semper.
Boy!
And Bertrand just couldn't get there. Wow.
Good ball, boy, dog, boy.
Excellent bit of
If it-
football by
it's how you
Hitlal.
put it in the
Got
air, though.
Right across the face of the goal.
It's how you
And
put it in the
Bertrand
air, boy, dog,
flying in.
boy.
He did. Hitlal did everything. Look at that. Getting in on Semper. The bus arrived early. Bertrand
Yeah,
didn't.
that bounce, boy.
But he just
He
missed
didn't
it,
time it,
didn't he?
yeah. He
Trying
didn't
to
time
be
it good.
acrobatic.
He didn't time it good, boy, G,
I
boy.
thought gets it to McLean wide. McLean looking for some support. He runs into problems. The loose ball goes back
Hey, boy.
to Semper. And he's about to go
What?
past. He thinks there was a foul. And I think he had a point. But referee Williams didn't agree. This is Poonanjaron to Benny.
Football, boy. Football playing here now.
Burns coming forward on that right side. Sends the cross in. Headed away. It's going to come right back though with Mirez. Plays
Pass
a
away.
good ball down the right side. Can
One
Burns
time.
get the cross in one time? Got it.
Ah, lucky
Great
dog.
cross. Felix picks it up. Bertrand, he goes the other way. Leacock is ahead of him. This is Leacock. Sends the ball into Keller. He turns with it. Hitlal is wide. Hitlal, faced by Semper.
Hey, boy.
Sends it in field. Wooling couldn't control it.
Good football, though.
Benny. This is Hitlal. Poonanjaron as well.
Ooh, good
Wins
thing,
it
boy.
from Hitlal. Gets it to Muckett. Muckett, he keeps playing these one-time balls back and runs his team into problems because Bertrand gets it to Wooling. Wooling sends it.
Hey, boy!
Oh! What a goal from Leacock! Goal in the 22nd minute.
Type of patting.
Well.
Type of patting. Type of patting.
What a goal from this man.
Type of patting.
Leacock. The cross kick.
Keep his eyes on this man, Leacock. He should be in prison. The stone cold killer. And that's what he needs.
Leacock,
Just
boy.
one shot to
Goal,
execute.
boy. Tie goal,
And
boy.
that's one shot and one.
Maybe, Lord, defense was playing all the football, dog. They played all the football like that, dog.
Defense force ahead. Movement ahead of you quickly so you can make quicker passes.
Good defending, boy.
That's
That left
not
back playing very
able to
good,
go
dog. That left
Here
back playing
comes
very good,
defense
dog.
force again. This is Felix.
Yeah, Felix playing good.
Leacock.
Pass, boy.
Leacock has made the run. Sends it across.
That's so.
Oh, he hits the bar. Well. That should have been in the back of the net. Where the
What's it?
supporter Spain was sleeping. But they still have a chance. Wooling with the shot.
We
but
boy
this time
dog
it's
boy.
offside.
Nah!
What went on there? Leacock made
Yeah,
the
he
run.
was too relaxed.
Thought he
He
was
was
offside.
too
He
relaxed,
was-
dog.
Wooling was standing.
See,
chasing
boy,
the
big dog
goal.
boy. Nah!
And
Killer finish. and a criminal miss.
Way!
Wooling all the time in the world. Couldn't find a way to keep it under the crossbar.
Watch it though.
Being allowed time and space.
Defense boy just winning.
That's what
Just
players
winning back now.
gotta be
Woo! Turn boy.
That's a
Turn,
lovely
boy.
ball out to Hitlal. Semper is
Hey,
going to
take him.
put in a tackle. As
Eat
Hitlal
him.
goes around him.
Kill him.
Hitlal on the left foot.
Ah,
What a
unlucky
great
though.
effort.
Unlucky though.
You can see the idea to Shea Benny.
Pass.
Plays a good ball wide out to McLean.
And again, look at the support. There's no support out wide. He's either forced to take on a risky dribble or play backwards.
Yes, and Rashford comes to lend him the support now.
But
And he has to get past
Yeah.
two yellow shirts. Charles, who hasn't been in the game very much, goes wide to McLean. And McLean
Two,
sends the cross in.
nobody.
No one is there and goes behind. It's going to be a goal kick. Yeah, actually.
Pass, baby, anyway.
They're warming up. Here's the
Woo!
shot. That's a good save.
shot dog.
The first real
Good shot,
shot on target.
Life home.
Highest in
Rashford.
the space.
Rashford.
And
Yeah.
Biggett had to be at his best.
Pass baby
He's the
anyway.
top keeper. Haven't created that many chances. But
What's
certainly
that? Shot on the
they've
dog.
got the quality to do
Hey,
so.
shot there by dog. Shot by.
Jean-Paul Rashford testing.
This is Wooling. Chips that
Ball.
ball nicely forward to Hitlal, who's gone across on that left side now. He's teasing
Woo!
Mirez.
Tackle,
That's a good tackle
boy.
in the end.
Tackle boy.
Can't keep it in though. He's won a
Tackle,
corner.
boy. Unlucky. Good
Hitlal.
tackle boy.
Him. And you let's have a look.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he needed the
good
timing
evil.
of a
Good
switch
evil.
watch, and well, he's certainly good at.
Here's the corner. Not a great one, but flicked on.
Hey boy.
And, well, you would have thought that Jamali Garcia had the opportunity. Eventually, it
Unlucky.
ran towards Bertrand. Mr. Mirez. Punanjaron. That's better. Good defending from Felix.
Good defending
That's
by
really
dog
good
boy.
defending. Got across quickly. Here's
Benny.
Shea Benny with the corner. Headed away. Biggett was coming, but it was headed away.
Hey, go on.
And away
Go on.
comes defense force. Understand that there's 5 minutes of added on time. We have already into the added on time.
Ball. Yeah, I see it.
Ball
I
played
see
over.
it.
Marvin Phillip has to come. He did well. Came out quickly.
See it there. I see it there. Hey, unlucky.
Hitlal. Plays it in towards Goddard.
Good
He
foul,
goes
bro.
over. And another free kick for defense force.
Good foul.
So the free kicks are mounting up here. That's Ken Burns, the culprit.
Pieces.
Well, that's too close to Marvin Phillip. He's going to hold on to that every day of the
Hey!
week.
Nah. Yellow card though. That yellow card though. What shit is that dog?
Red card. Marvin Phillip.
That ain't shit dog.
I-
You ain't even that close
No,
line
there was
dog.
a hand, a left hand thrown. He was coming
Look
forward
at
with
that
the
bad. I
ball.
see there boy.
And I
But
thought
bad thing boy.
that he used his left hand to almost
So you couldn't just do this.
strike the opponent.
You hit the man up.
Who was
No
looking to
way,
harass
bro.
him.
Watch
Let's
out,
have a
watch.
look at it. Yeah.
Whee!
Yep. Wooling was
Enough
hit
for the air, enough
in
for the air, but.
face by
Nah, boy.
Marvin Phillip.
Silly. Penalty
He's
easy
too
so.
much too experienced
Easy
to do
so.
something like that, James.
Easy
I
so.
Think of his experience. So many international.
Watch it out, watch
So
it there,
good,
watch it there, watch it
Marvin.
there. Big dog
What is
fake
he
him.
then?
I think
Look at Wooling
Wooling-
here.
yeah, Wooling gets fake him. Watch him. Whee!
Yeah. Solon Phillip. Just a bit too.
Nah, dog,
Aggressive.
You can't do them things, dog. You can't do them
Right
things, dog.
decision was made in the end.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
it's
deserve a red.
unfortunate.
I feel that,
He
dog. I
lost his
feel
cool,
that.
didn't he?
I feel that, dog.
He lost his
I
cool.
feel that.
Very surprising
Nah.
for Marvin Phillip.
First thing I gotta do is save a pen.
Here
Let me see.
is Leacock.
That is it, boy.
2-0.
Pen, boy. Pen, boy.
Minute 52. Leacock has made it 2 goals to 0.
Bang.
And there is a huge smile.
Bang.
from Ransom. And
Ah.
Wooling is saying, well, he used his head,
Bang.
but
Nothing Paul
Nah, good
Lewis
pen,
could
man.
do.
Yeah, that good pen. That
Basic
good
part
pen.
of Spain, well, came in this match seeking a double. Well, they've got a double strikes against them.
irritated Marvin Phillip enough to get him sent
Woo.
off.
Woo.
That's a foul.
For
and
what,
a yellow
boy?
card.
That wasn't necessary, dog.
Oh, they've got to be careful about
Yes.
their temper.
Be careful. They can't
Watch out, tackle,
afford to
man.
lose their cool. That was a really rough tackle, wasn't it? Long ball, looking for Leacock. Heads it on, but it's picked up by Muckett. This is the first time we've seen Muckett. Well.
Hey!
Look
Hey!
at him go.
Woo! Unlucky, boy.
He was brought down there, but it's the first time.
Unlucky, boy. Good run, though. Good run. Good run, though.
Run at the defense force players, wasn't it?
Oh, it's the first
Skill,
time
though.
the Stars
Yeah,
have
good
been
skill, though.
behind the dark cloud.
Well, let's have a
What's
look.
that
Look
one?
at
Hey.
Muckett. Look at him go. 1, 2,
What's that?
3.
Hey.
The yellow shirts are wrong.
Hey.
They're still going. And they're coming back at him.
Hey!
At least
Nah,
4,
nice
5
one, though.
of them.
Nah, nice one, though.
Absolutely brilliant.
Nice one, though.
Absolutely
That's
brilliant
nice
from
one, dog.
Muckett has been substituted. Stevens is on for Jarvis. Ford is on for Semper. As that ball comes across and Poon Lewis is there. Penalty.
Hey, boy, touch,
Here
boy.
is
What? Ooh!
getting it to Leacock.
Hat trick, boy! Hat trick!
This man.
Hat trick hero! Hat trick hero!
Minute 62.
The man could have played wider, dog. We good shot, my dog, boy. Good shot, dog.
Defense force scores this.
Good shot, dog.
Just can't help scoring here.
What, you can have played? You can have played? Bang!
Hit it. Got the room that he needed. He
Game
turned
over.
with it. Nobody closed them
Game
down.
over.
And poor Poon Lewis.
Back and back. See
Been on for
Full of
now, my
confidence.
dog, I
He
take it,
always
boy.
had one
Bang!
thing in his mind, one destination.
He said, nah, boy, I think it is one, my dog, boy. You mad, oh?
Might be his last act of the game. He's
Still
gone
put-
with some cramp, but
Put
what an
one
act that he will not forget.
Hey.
That is 3-0.
Oh gosh. Good shot, my dog.
Well,
Good game, though.
some
Good game by
injury
Leacock,
to
boy.
himself.
Nah, good game, good game. Good game.
Leacock out with it. Burns.
Hey,
Oh, that's
interception.
well won. Here comes
Brent
Phillips.
Sam.
Got some room in front of him.
Ball, boy.
Plays that
He
ball
gone.
to Hitlal. Hitlal now. Is he going to get the cross in? He looks for
Ah,
Sam.
yeah, he look
It's
for the
in a little
cross.
too
He look
far
for the
ahead of
cross.
him. It goes out
Yeah,
and
well
it's gonna be a
done,
goal
boy.
kick for AC Port of Spain.
Yeah, well, lucky, boy.
Tell you what, that's worse than what then. That
Yeah,
maybe
boy.
Sam would have been the option. I'm
He
not
should have
sure
shoot. Yeah, he
who
should
was
have
the
shoot.
option,
He
though.
should have shoot. He
Them
should have
from
shoot.
Sam,
Eventually, ball played wide. Here goes Beckles, who has
Hey.
come on as a sub. Gets it towards
Hey.
Charles. He's brought down.
I bet.
Let's see. Yes, penalty.
Pen, my dog, boy. Pen, my.
Charles brought down by Jamali Garcia.
Kind of hard to call too, you know, but it's pen, though, because it's like.
well, they needed
He
some
beat him, eh? He
training
beat him,
views to
right?
find their
You see.
balance. This is how it occurred. Well, I'm
Yeah,
not so
pen.
sure on a second glance.
It
It take a while, Quincy Williams, before
It's
he made
not
his
pen,
decision.
no. It's not pen. I don't know, boy. I don't know, boy.
Using
I
his
don't know,
body
boy.
well and, well,
How do you feel
got
wet
the
too?
help that he
How do you
wanted.
feel wet? But
And
I don't know,
there's a
boy.
chance to-
Monsieur.
Dwayne Muckett against Christopher Biggett. Ah, he buries
Woo!
it.
Pen, boy.
Biggett went the right way.
Good pen, boy.
But couldn't stop it.
Damn. Yeah, good pen, good pen.
Well, Kirk Franklin
Okay.
sang about a revolution. Could
Good
this be
pen,
the
though,
start
good
of a
pen, though.
revolution?
Good pen.
Dwayne Muckett beat, and it's because of this.
Bottom left corner, eh?
It's a good penalty. Biggett went the right way, but
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Muckett buried it in
Yeah,
the
boy.
corner.
Yeah, boy.
But here is defense for. Well, here comes Muckett. That's it to Puna and Geron.
Hey.
That's getting it towards,
Nothing win. Nothing win for
Burns,
easy
it
ball
looks
Spain, boy.
like.
There are
He's
10
gone
men.
in a
There are
advanced
10 men
position.
too, so you know now, boy.
Without Spoon, yeah,
Played a big part this season since returning from injury.
Beckles does well, but then goes over.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on.
Daniel, oh, that's a good tackle
boy, dog,
from
boy.
Mirez.
Tackle,
He had to
boy.
win it because Daniel was away.
Tackle, boy.
He's got
Ball played wide, but headed into the path of Muckett. Is he going to look to have the shot? Muckett goes
Yeah,
over.
left fall.
It's going to be a free kick. Yellow
Left foul.
card. Hits it low
Halalo.
and into the wall. Not a great free kick.
Back in the
Burns
sauce.
sends it over to the far post, but
We'll keep it.
Biggett is going to get that every day of the week. They give it away
is it right?
very cheaply to Goddard. Look at that man.
Woo!
What a great
The try
run.
offside chop. Wait, my dog, boy.
Inopportune time.
Wait, nah. I saw this. I saw this. The try offside chop, I didn't work, yes?
Well,
Oh,
that was a
wait.
chance.
Bertrand, wasn't it? Brilliant run.
Hey,
Here's
boy.
Muckett.
Nah, offside.
Offside. Goes wide to Felix. That's a good ball.
Hey,
to
hey.
Daniel. He's on the charge.
Benson.
Side.
Nah, man. Nah, boy, dog, boy. Nah, boy, dog, boy. Nah.
Did everything.
A yellow card, though. From the tackle before,
Except
though.
finish.
But
I
we,
think
boy,
only the
dog, boy.
big bad wolf
We.
might be greedier than Josiah
Benson.
Daniel. Look at this.
Benson.
Did everything right there, but there was Sam. Never
Yeah, boy.
had any
dog,
intentions of giving it to
boy.
Sam, who was all alone.
Upfield. Muckett to Charles, trying to get it back to Muckett.
Ah, I can't do
Away
everything,
comes
though.
defense force. This is Thomas.
Eat him.
Coming
Eat
in,
him.
going one
Eat
way to the
him.
next. Is he brought down? No,
Nah,
says the referee.
nah,
Play
nah.
on. Now, trying to get
Hey, good
Burns
win,
back
boy.
involved, but Nathaniel Garcia wins it. Gets
Left
it
side.
to Sam. Sam plays it to Thomas. Thomas
Like
is
goal.
on the charge.
Whee!
His touch was too heavy.
Hey, boy.
And goalkeeper
Hey.
Lois immediately marching on.
You can't
There
shoot.
is Sam. Couldn't control it. Goes to Daniel. Sends it across field.
Hey!
In comes Thomas. Lois is there.
The keeper even get a ball, boy? No way, boy.
Ball sent upfield. Beckles Bigot.
GG's.
And the referee calls
GG's.
it Dave.
GG's.
Just
GG's.
13 seconds into the
Nice
added
win,
on
my
time of
nice
the
win,
five
my
minutes.
defense force,
He's
boy.
played 13 seconds over, and defense force, they have done it here by 3 goals to 1.
Oh, look, keep by AC for the Spain,
AC
boy.
for the Spain team.
Defense force play good, though.
Really
I ain't gonna lie, though.
was
They
never
play
in it
good.
from the beginning. AC Port of Spain was always in control of this game,
Yeah, they play good, they play good, they play good.
and you have to give
Yeah, they
them
play good
credit
for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure.
because from the beginning,
Well deserved, though. Well deserved.
they out-muscled AC Port of Spain. They knew their tactics, what they were going to do, and they kept to it, and they really mastered the AC Port of Spain team. And of course, in the